southeastern Nebraska, northeastern Gage County in southeastern Nebraska until 5:45 p.m. At 4:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Firth, or 16 miles north of Beatrice, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Northeastern expected hazard includes 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar indicated severe thunderstorm was located near Firth, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Expected hazards locations impacted Palmyra, Portland, Unadilla, Panama, Douglas, Stagecoach State Recreation Area, and Wagon Train State Recreation Area. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Johnson, Lancaster, and Odo. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Gage, Johnson, Lancaster, and Odo.
Yeah, so I was playing Mario Kart 8, and then all of a sudden that just happened. I'm on an online room right now, so I don't know if I'll be able to do. I can't do anything right now, but sorry, click that. I know that one's gonna go off, for sure. Yeah, so that caught me completely off guard. I mean, I was not expecting that, like, at all. Obviously, when you're playing Mario Kart 8 Deluxe, too, and the station's now going off now.
Servicing Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lancaster County in southeastern Nebraska, northwestern Johnson County in southeastern Nebraska, western Odo County in southeastern Nebraska, northeastern Gage County in southeastern Nebraska until 5:45 p.m. At 4:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Firth,
that is surprising.
16 miles north of Beatrice, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Palmyra, Portland, Unadilla, Panama, Douglas, Stagecoach State Recreation Area, and Wagon Train State Recreation Area. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Gage, Johnson, Lancaster, and Odo.
I just heard the radio from Tim.
Yeah, that scared the crap out of me. Like, I did not expect that, like, at all.
None of us. Oh yeah, I'm looking at the weather. Okay, so I'm looking at the weather for Nebraska, and this is gonna be tonight. Oh shit.
Oh. So, like, hang on, I wasn't even focusing. I wasn't even focusing in it on myself. I wasn't even focusing in it on myself.
Like 4.
What? How?
It start like 9 p.m. and then a thunderstorm's at 11 to 12 a.m. 11 p.m. and 12 a.m.
Waiting for you, Tim.
It's gonna last until like
wow.
10 a.m. tomorrow. Oh shit! Yeah. No,
I haven't reached it in quite a while.
The one freaking marginal. The one marginal.
Death Valley.
Unbelievable! Wow. Unbelievable, man. Jeez.
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Johnson County in southeastern Nebraska, Nemaha County in southeastern Nebraska, northwestern Richardson County in southeastern Nebraska, northeastern Pawnee County in southeastern Nebraska until 8:15 p.m. At 7:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles northeast of Table Rock, or 12 miles northeast of Pawnee City, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected.
I would have thought this station was playing freaking September. Because do you remember the 21st night of September?
Burn, Humboldt, Table Rock, Stella, Schubert, Nemaha, Brownville, Elk Creek, Barada, Brownville State Recreation Area, the Highway 62 and 105 Junction, Howell, and Kirkman's Cove Recreation Area. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Johnson, Nemaha, Pawnee, and Richardson.
I'm surprised this station's not going off for that. This one possibly will. Oh, I think I may know another one. Whoops. Oh, wait, one. Auburn's in this, so has to go off for this, right? Pretty sure it is. Wait a minute. I know an idea. Oh well, might have just missed it. Yeah, they're not going off for that. Well, that scared the crap out of me. Well, if that's the last one, then welcome everybody to another caught off guard shenanigans video. How about it?